thing where you wear so up
You
and
dey
down, na me
give me
buy am for you.
money.
This thing where you
You
wear up
wey
and
dey
down, na me
talk, you
buy
dey
am.
give me money.
Na me buy am.
Wait,
Slap me.
now
I
this
go
is
slap my husband. You dey give me money. Wetin you dey do? Wetin you dey do, Emmanuel? Nothing.
Hey, Emmanuel, wait.
Shameless man. Nothing.
Emmanuel, wait. This is your boy Dorothy Awilo. You can check me out on social media platform. Type Dorothy Awilo. Like, share, comment, follow, subscribe. Remember, when preparation meets opportunity, the result always be successful. Quand l'opportunité raconte la préparation, le résultat donne toujours le succès. Today, I decided to pick two people. There's a lot of people who have been calling. I want to marry. I want to book me. I decided to pick two people, and the two people are here. Let's see themselves. If they fall in love, they marry. If they don't fall in love, everybody going away. No problem. You ask. Let's go. Pretty lady. Can I know your name?
I'm Benita by name.
Benita, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, nice one. What type of man you dey expect?
Like a tall guy, handsome, and rich,
And rich
and good in bed.
and good in bed. Now, I'm put that one.
Yes.
That's all.
Yes.
All right. I wish you good luck. Fine guy. Can I know your name?
My name is Emmanuel.
Emmanuel, how are you today?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. What type of lady you dey expect?
Yeah, I dey expect the kind of lady we sabi everything, as in wey she know her duty. We go fit be like,
Can you please speak louder?
yeah, I dey like a lady wey sabi do everything. We go fit make me happy all the time. So
Okay.
a God
Those are
fearing
the
woman,
ladies you want. Abi?
yeah, those kind of the lady that I want. That is good, you know. And that kind of lady now we dey okay now.
Okay. All right. Just stay like this. Okay. Viewers, I don't hear everything two of them talk. Count to 1 to 3. Two of you will review each to review yourself. 1, 2, 3. Why can't it?
Emmanuel,
Push it. Abosari. Who be Abosari?
wetin you come do for here?
Wait, I don't understand. Wait.
Awilo.
Who? Eh?
I no go able.
Your name is Abosari.
Yes.
How?
I'm Abosede.
Do you know him? Come here. You come stay here. Who is he for you?
He's my guy. But
Your
not
guy,
my
how?
guy for now.
Your guy how? I don't understand your guy how. Don't disturb me. Your guy how?
Let me just refer him as he's my ex.
Is your ex?
He's no more my guy. He's no longer my guy. He's
Wait,
my
you stay here now. I don't understand. Stay one place. Do you know her? Wait, do you know her?
Yes, now.
Who is she to you?
This is my girl.
Your
Abosari
girl
Lele
how?
now.
About
Yes, now.
your girl how?
My girl, we don't dey date for long.
Now they date.
Yes.
I don't understand. You have been dating and you have been disturbing my phone that you want to I should book you.
Yes, now.
Yes, now how?
Because you know they do wetin I want.
She know they do what you want.
You are.
Wait. She know they do what you want.
You know they do wetin I want.
I no good
wait.
for bed.
You no good.
I no good.
You no good. But I dey try manage
What
you.
I dey do for this guy?
I dey try manage you.
Me go, I dey try manage you.
I dey try manage
Wait,
You too
hey,
poor.
wait, come this side, come this side.
Really?
Hey, your name is Abosari. Why are you lying that your name is Benita?
I'm Benita,
You are Benita,
and I'm also Abosede.
also Abosari.
Yes.
But what happened that you have been disturbing me and you know that you have a guy?
Firstly, this guy is very poor.
He's very poor.
Yes.
Oh, that's your problem.
Yes. I've been managing him.
Okay.
So I can't even cope again. I can't.
Okay.
I can't cope again.
Your reason is that he's poor.
Yes. and I
Okay.
can't cope.
Okay,
I no
hold on.
longer cope.
Okay, now, Emmanuel, you have been disturbing me, right? Stay here. This is lady. Stay here. Don't get me angry. Come here. Where's Emmanuel? Why you come for blind date and you know that you have a girlfriend?
Because she know they do the way I want. If I say do like this, he go say, I no tell am well. If I say do like this, he go say I no tell am well. Say, wetin I wan tell am?
Do you do your home
You
part
dey
as
give
a
me money.
boyfriend?
This thing where you wear so up
You
and
dey
down, na me
give
buy
me
am for you.
money.
This thing where you
You
up
wey
and
dey
down, na me
talk, you
buy
dey
am.
give me money.
Na me buy am.
Wait,
Slap me.
now.
I go slap my husband. You dey give me money. Wetin you dey do?
Wait.
Wetin you dey do, Emmanuel? Nothing.
Hey, Emmanuel, wait.
Shameless man. Nothing.
Emmanuel, wait. You said this man is poor.
Yes.
Is it right that he bought all this thing for you?
He bought it.
You stay here now. Stay here. You're in front of the camera. Stay here. When I no pose. See, stay here, my friend. Stay here. Hey, you say he's poor.
Yes.
That's your own reason.
Yes.
Okay, but he say he bought all this for you. Is it real?
Yes.
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 Why ladies are like this? I don't understand. See the way you are talking to me on the phone. That I should book you, I book you now. Wait now, Emmanuel, wait. Be as a man. This is a woman. Come closer. Just stay one place. I don't understand. Stay one place. And you will be disturbing now. And you know that you have a man and you have a guy.
Wetin you come find for blind date sef? Na your mates dem dey find for blind date.
Why I no go find another?
Why wetin you come
Wait,
find?
I no go find another.
Why me sef I no go find? Why I no go? Wetin you come find for blind date?
Both of two of you should not make me angry. Oh. Don't make me angry. Stay one place. Stay here. You guys have been deceiving people. I don't understand. You know that you have a lady. Why two of you don't get closer and get settle this issue? And you will be disturbing me. Instead of me to pick another people, I pick two of you. Now you will be dating and he's dating. And now you come for social media that you need a girlfriend. Meanwhile, why are you getting angry? Because you come here for blind date. Why are you getting angry? The same way you come, the same way she come.
Yes.
And it's your girlfriend.
Yes.
And you are saying yes. Thinking that you are right.
Yes, I'm right, of course.
How are you right?
I'm
You say
right.
it's poor, but he buy everything for you. And you dress up to come blind date to.
Me too, I'm doing the little I can do. I'm doing
You
it
are
for
not
you.
doing anything.
I'm doing.
What are you doing?
Emmanuel, I'm doing for
You're
crying
not
out
doing
loud.
anything.
Wait. Okay, this
Oh my
issue now.
goodness.
See, hey, camera, I'm getting tired of this. Two of you should go. Hey, you go. Hey, come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Hey, what's wrong with you? Come here. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Hey,
I said I should continue copying with him. Look at the way he's behaving.
wait.
Just take a look at him.
I understand your point. Now I understand your point now. I understand your point. But let me tell you something. How long both of you have been dating?
2 years.
See, it's running. See, it's running. 2 years.
Yes.
Okay. Are you living with him?
I'm no longer living with him.
You are no longer living with him.
Yes.
But your family know that you have been dating him.
Yes, they know.
They know.
Yes.
But since you are not living here, the family know.
Yes.
See what he be doing that time. See what he be doing. See. Since you are not living here,
Yes,
the family know that you are
I'm
here.
not living
So
there.
you are on your own.
Yes, I'm
Are
on
you
my
sure?
own. Yes.
Okay, you know what you do. Okay, before you leave, just wait me or meet my PA and drop your address so that we can check and talk to your family before we can book you for another appointment. For another blind date. Okay, bye bye. Viewers, it's not that easy. It's not that easy. It's not that easy. These two people have been disturbing me for long. Have been disturbing me and see what just happened. See, guys, let me tell you outside here. If you want me or anybody want to set me on blind date, try to be real. If you are not be real, the job cannot be done. Try to be real. Tell us the truth so that we can follow the procedure. That's normal. If you are trying to lie for us, see what just happened. You are just killing our job. I beg.